Now, the very best thing I found with the Ford system is the Apple CarPlay. So if you've got your charger lead, there's 2 USB sockets down there. As long as I've got this the right way around. That's in there. We watch out here, connect your phone, and you should be able to see that's come up. Turn that down. It's automatically connected to Apple CarPlay. Now, if it doesn't, what you need to do, go to Settings, go to General, click on General. You've got CarPlay there, and you can see there that's how many I've got connected. But that's how you do it, and just you'll get a warning on the screen saying that you have to accept that you'll be able to control your phone when the screen is off or when it's closed. Otherwise you won't be able to do anything once your screen's timed out or the phone's shut like that. But this is the very best system, I think, because you don't have to do anything. You don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel at all. There's a voice activation switch here. Now, if I'm driving along and I decide I want to go somewhere, if I click this for 2 seconds, navigate to the Trafford Centre, Manchester.
Getting directions to the Trafford Centre.
You see there goes come up, but you don't have to do anything. If you just leave it, it will automatically go and give you directions. So that's telling me how to get there. So simple. 2 seconds, voice activation. Take me to McDonald's.
One possibility is McDonald's on Fishergate. Want to try that one?
Yes.
Getting directions to McDonald's.
That's it. It really is so simple. To go back to the main screen, all you have to do is click. You see there, that gives you the, if I click on that, that gives you the map and your infotainment screen. Otherwise, that's mirroring my phone. We want to play music. I'll put it on the music there, only so you can see what's happening. But shuffle music.
Here's some music from your Apple Music library.
It's turned down at the moment, but if I turn that up, terrible record. If I want to play a specific track, play Glory by The Score.
Now playing Glory by The Score.
So it's that simple to control your music again. You want to send a text. Text Barry.
What do you want to say to Barry?
I'm just testing the Apple CarPlay in this 2018 Ford Ranger. It's fantastic.
It says, I'm just testing the Apple CarPlay in this 2018 Ford Ranger. It's fantastic. Send it.
Yes.
Done.
Now you'll see there, a text has just come up. It's telling me here on my phone what I've just said, so that's right. But you're driving along, you can't do that. You can't touch the phone. So again, 2 seconds on the voice activation. Read texts.
Barry sent a new message. I'm just testing the Apple CarPlay in this 2018 Ford Ranger. It's fantastic. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
So that's how you play text. You can call somebody. Call Barry.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
Now you can see it's dialing me there.
Sorry, I can't take your call at the moment.
you know, it really is so good. All you have to do is press that button for 2 seconds and you can tell Apple CarPlay what to do. Let's see, you've got, you know, your audio books. Click on audio books. That's got all the stuff I've got loaded. Over to Audible, again, some more books. You've got Spotify. There you go. Some suggested daily mixes here. Click on there. Oh, it's, as it happens, it's a good daily mix. So as I say, that's Spotify playing through the system. Just everything you've got. You know, your calendar there. I've got no events for today, but you can actually set it. You can set the sat nav. You can see if you're meeting somebody. You can set Apple CarPlay for your phone to tell them where you are, and for their phone to tell you where they are. So you can actually see on the screen as you're getting closer and closer to your destination point how far each other's away. You can set reminders. For instance, I can set a reminder for when I get to work tomorrow to, I don't know, get a car out or put a battery on charge, whatever, to remind me. It's a really good system. Here you go, Amazon Music. Click on there. Don't think of, oh, my soundtrack, click play. That's just the suggested soundtrack, but it's I can't speak highly enough of the actual system. And just go back to there. If you want to go back to just the Ford Sync system, go back to the screen, click Ford, and there you go. You're back on the Ford system. It's a fantastic system. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.